So we are talking about the Sennheiser HD 180 here. The first part of the video will be an unboxing and the second part will be a review which was done after using the headphones for more than a week of time. So hey guys, this is Satyajeet and without further ado, let's roll the intro.
The box is simple. It has no fancy packing and simply contains the headphones and a 6.3mm adapter. That's it. The headphones have a retailing price of 899 rupees or 14 US dollars. So it is dirt cheap. The headphones have an impedance of 24 ohms and frequency response of 21 Hz to 18,000 Hz. Now let's talk build quality. The headphones are entirely made out of plastic, but I don't think you can expect more in this price segment. The plastic has a good feel to it. It does not bubble from any side. The cushioning in the headphones are amazing. It has a cushion up top in the headband and in the ear cups. The ear cups are over the ear and not on the ear, so that means that they enclose a complete ear. Let me tell you, these are very comfortable headphones. I used them for hours editing videos and watching stuff and they did not bother me a single time. If you want to use them on a long flight, then you'll be more than satisfied. Now let's come to the most important factor, the sound quality. But before we talk about that, let me tell, I'm not exactly an audiophile, but more of a person who likes music, an audio enthusiast basically. The isolation you get with these headphones is fine. You'll not be able to hear outside noise to a very far extent. The audio quality you get is great. That is of course subjective. See, I personally love the soundstage of these headphones, but this is not a headphone for bass heads. Now see, don't get me wrong, they have an ample amount of bass, but the thing is that the bass does not ever overpower the highs and mids. The highs and the mids are very clear and you'll be able to differentiate between the two. For me, these have the perfect balance and I did not have to tweak the equalizer even once. Now let's come to the cons of the headphones. The headphones sound a bit low on the total volume. This might seem like a big deal, but it's not. It's just perfect, You cannot go super loud on these headphones. Another small thing to know that these headphones come with a 3-meter long cable. I know this might sound like a silly thing, but it really bothers me sometimes.
Overall for the price, I find these headphones a steal of a deal because of the comfort and the sound quality they offer. Coming from a brand like Sennheiser, it's a sure buy recommendation from my side. So that was it for the video guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content like this. So this has been Satyajeet. Have a great day.